Yes, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is calling 2020 CR 8253W State versus Ronnie Benson. Could I have parties announced, please?
Andrew Erickson, State.
Rafael Leal for Mr. Benson.
And are you Ronnie Benson? Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am, but I couldn't read it because I didn't have my reading glasses. So
Oh,
he explained it to me, but I told him, I said, I already been tried on this case.
This isn't just another court date, this is Ronnie's second chance hanging by a thread. A single true plea today could mean swapping probation for prison, and it all starts now.
no, you have not. So what has happened is you're on probation for driving while intoxicated third or more, and there are conditions that are set for your probation. So technically, you've pled to the DWI, so that's not what you're here for today. You're not here for a DWI from 2020. What you're here for is they're saying that while you were on probation, you did not do something or you violated some condition.
Yeah, it was my doctor. He changed my medicine and I came up.
No. Here's the thing. That doesn't address these issues because none of these.
Watch how fast that doctor excuse crashes and burns. In violation hearings, the judge only cares about facts tied directly to your probation terms. No loopholes, no distractions.
Allegations in the motion has anything to do about your doctor. It has different conditions. So what's going to end up happening, if both parties are ready to proceed, the state is going to read what they said you did not do. You're going to enter a plea of true or not true, and then I'll make a decision. Do you understand? All right, so are you the same Ronnie Benson who was placed on community supervision in 2020 CR 8253W for the offense of driving while intoxicated third or more on August 27, 2020 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
On or about the 17th day of March 2025 in Dirk County, Texas, the defendant, Ronnie Benson, and him and their failed to submit to the testing as directed by the court/supervision officer in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State waives the remaining violation obligation.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 6 years in the prison and up to a $1,500 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2? Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Here's the moment. Ronnie pleads true. That's a legal admission he broke probation. Maximum sentence, 6 years. But listen closely, no panic. Why? He's banking on a deal.
Yes, Judge. Amend conditions. Deny the motion. Amend conditions for weekly leeways for 30 days, followed by monthly thereafter. Intensive outpatient with PCC, SCD, and documented sober support readings as recommended by TAP.
All right, so what has he done on probation?
Judge, he has been, aside from those violations, he has been compliant to a substantial amount of the conditions. He is, for all practical purposes, not employed where he's paid with money. He's paid with by giving him a place to live and kind of like room and board. That's how he gets paid, and he gets SSI of $900 a month. So that's one he's behind in.
Defense goes full sympathy mode. Ronnie's broke, on SSI, and technically trying. It's a gamble show progress. Hope for mercy. But will that outweigh the violations? That's the tension.
In payments, but that's his economic situation. Most of the, aside from those allegations, Judge, he has a bunch of tests that are negative, and we're asking that the court agree with the recommendation and give him those conditions and place him back on regular supervision.
Probation.
Judge, Mr. Benson was in drug court from May of 2021 to March of 2023. Completion of that program, he did the DWI intervention. He has gone through one round of outpatient treatment. He's finished his victim impact panel. He was on the transdermal alcohol monitor. He finished that. He did the required sober support meetings. He has completed most of the terms of his probation. It's just the with these slight violations.
You want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Ronnie Benson.
All right, Mr. Benson, do you want to go to prison?
Oh, man.
Then why are you not doing what's required?
I've been doing everything they asked me to do.
But why didn't you submit to the drug testing?
I did everything I could.
Here's where things get heated. Ronnie says he had no way to get to testing but doesn't call anyone. The judge sees this as more than a missed appointment. It's a pattern of excuses.
No. They said, and you just pled true to not testing. Why didn't you test?
I probably didn't have a way.
Did you call somebody and say, I don't have a way to come in to test?
I believe I told the judge.
No, because I'm the judge. You didn't tell me.
Oh, I thought it was good to do it for.
All right, but you've completed drug court. That's why you're back here. You're back here and your case was not, usually they will terminate your probation when you complete drug court, but the reason why they did no early termination for DWIs.
That's right.
So
I did everything they asked me.
they asked you to submit a UA and you didn't. So my question is, why didn't you do that?
I probably didn't have a way, or I didn't have the money.
Did you call somebody?
I called, well, not here, I didn't. But when I was in drug court, I did.
All right, probation, what are you all asking for?
Judge, this is state educated for weekly UA 30 days, monthly thereafter into the outpatient treatment and documented coverage support.
How often are you doing sober support meetings before you were taken into custody?
Fork in the road, due to years in prison or grind, through outpatient treatment and 90 meetings in 90 days. This is what redemption looks like when the system runs out of patience.
I was just doing probation and doing UA and reporting every month.
All right, so here's the thing. When you're on probation and you have a drug or alcohol problem, you have to stay vigilant. Otherwise, you're going to backslide.